Nike Air Foamposite 1 Galaxy is making a historic return this Friday, February 21st. And if you want a shot at securing a pair, you better come prepared. From release details to stock numbers, here's everything you need to know to boost your chances of copping this iconic sneaker this Friday. Because let's be real, they're not gonna be easy to get. Let's get it. I'm gonna try to keep it really short. Just came out the gym, haven't even showered yet. I just wanna put this video out as fast as I can and give you more time to prepare before the release this Friday. But I do wanna mention, last night, I did a video about Drake throwing a Yeezy slide at the drone, and I just thought it was funny. Wanted to experiment. I hear you guys loud and clear. Like, none of you clicked on that video. It's currently below 100 views, which I thought was impossible at this point because the amount of support I've been getting recently on my recent videos. So yeah, sorry about that. The initial plan was to put out this video last night to give you even more time, and at the last second I decided to do the Drake thing. So sorry, but that's why I'm stressing this video, so it's not gonna be any fancy edit or anything. But before we start, let's just say how I'm gonna structure the thing. So for the impatient ones, so you don't just exit the video, all right? Stay, don't go. First, we are doing an unboxing because I want you guys to see my reaction, because I'm very excited for this box over there and I wanna record that. And then we are doing stock numbers for the Galaxy ones, global stock numbers, and how many pairs have been allocated between the US Sneakers app and EU UK Sneakers app. Spoiler alert, you're not gonna be surprised. EU is not getting any love from Nike. And then we're gonna go through some active raffles that are still up in case you wanna sign up before the release and increase your chances. And finally, I do wanna get some stuff off my chest for this release. It might wake up some feelings with certain people, but I gotta be honest, so stay tuned for that. There's also timestamps below in case you're really impatient. I don't want you to ruin the watch time. Try to watch as long as possible. If not that, at least give me a like, comment, subscribe. Any one of those things would be hugely appreciated. All right, let's do the unboxing. I already opened the box, but I swear to God, I haven't looked inside. All right, you gotta trust me on that one, but you probably know what it is. Yo. All right. Yo. Let's go! Oh, baby! Yo! I can't believe it! 23,000 pairs worldwide, and I'm holding one of them right now. That is insane. Okay. Also, I'm gonna do a really dope review on those, so subscribe if you wanna watch that later. All right, so these are dropping February 21st, this Friday. Retail price is hefty 229.99 euros, and global stock for this sneaker is 55,000 pairs. So that is the global stock, and that is gonna be allocated for the US sneakers, Asia sneakers, EU, UK, and also retail stores. Now, let's take a look at Europe. We're doing Europe first. All right. Not gonna be surprised on this one, 9,899 pairs. Below 10K, again, Nike doesn't care about European sneakerheads. Oh man, all right. So the reason this image is blurred, by the way, if you're new here, it is because I can't give you the exact size by size. This image provides the exact stock numbers for every size. If you want that image to be unblurred before the release, you gotta become a member of the Stash Discord group. They provide this information for me. I'm a paying member, so it's not a sponsored thing, but we do communicate, and I'm allowed to give you information way before everyone else. All I gotta do in return is leave the link in the description. If you wanna become a member, you can cancel the membership anytime you want. I do wanna mention their niche is EU mostly. They also have US stock numbers, but EU is their niche. So yeah, if you want this information way before everyone else, you gotta become a paying member just like I am. All right, let's take a look at US stock numbers for the sneakers app. 28,397 pairs. So again, very different from EU, but I do want to mention this is one of those rare occasions where I actually agree with the allocation, because this sneaker means a lot more to US than EU, so I understand that. This is kind of fair, right? Now, I promised some raffles, so here's the first one. Nclothing.com. There's shipping. It's not an in-store thing. No prepayment. and 21st February at 9 o'clock. We also have footdistrict.com, no prepayment. They are shipping as well. 21st February is the deadline at 9 o'clock in the morning. I do want to mention you have to have a verified account to be able to sign up. 43 Einhalb, I don't know how to pronounce it. They're shipping as well. Prepayment is required though, and 21st February at 8 o'clock in the morning. Basket for Ballers is also up. They're shipping as well. No prepayment, ends on 21st February, 9 o'clock. Backdoor.it, shipping as well. Prepayment is required, ends 21st February, 9 o'clock as well. And finally, Asphalt Gold is still up. They're shipping as well. Prepayment is required, ends on 21st February, 9 o'clock in the morning as well. There was a lot more raffles active, but the deadline has passed and I couldn't give you that information earlier. Just wanted to mention that as well. So if you're going for these, definitely sign up to one of those raffles. And you know, I just went through the list very quickly. You should just pause the screen and check out their website and sign up if you want to. But even though there's a huge difference between US Sneakers app and EU UK, I actually think there's a bigger chance to buy this on the Sneakers app this Friday, because just US appreciates this sneaker a lot more. I think you guys will be fighting over this thing, and you know, it's not as popular in EU. So even though there's below 10,000 pairs on the Sneakers app in EU, I think chances are pretty good at buying this one if you just sign up on the Sneakers app. Anyway, that was the most vital information that you needed if you were going for these. Also, if you get a W, please comment down below. That's what we do on this channel. Comment where you're from, which size did you get, and how did you get them? Was it the Sneakers app or raffle or indoor thing? We appreciate seeing people win and get excited, so please let us know in the comments. Okay, I wanted to say some things about this release, and that is, I really wish this sneaker meant more to me. Just like I said in my review of the Jordan 11 Legend Blues, you know, I grew up in Bosnia. I currently live in Sweden, so we fled the war, and I was always fascinated with US culture, music, movies. Michael Jordan, when Michael Jordan came to my life, and you know, the Jordans, that's why this channel exists. And I always felt like I was born at the wrong place, because you know, watching movies, music, I think worldwide, US is just getting slammed on by everybody because of their politics, but people forget to give US their flowers when it comes to the culture. Just imagine a world where the US culture didn't exist, like the athletes, actors, musicians. The world would be so boring. So I just wanted to give you guys your flowers when it comes to your culture, because I just, you know, I wish this sneaker meant more to me, because like I said, I think it's embedded in your DNA. This release, I know how important this release is, how big it is. That's why I'm very careful with how I pick my words. So if you're from US and you happen to watch this video, please let me know what this sneaker means to you. Tell me a story about it from your childhood and the feelings this release has awoken within you. I'm very curious to know that, because I wish I was there experiencing the same things in 2012 when they released last time. I'm kind of bummed out, but as a fan, I'm watching and I'm very intrigued to see what happens this Friday when this release drops. I hope they sell out, but to those who really want this sneaker, not the resellers, I hope this release gets the love it deserves. Sorry for rambling, just wanted to give you my thoughts, my honest opinion about this sneaker. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the support lately. You guys have been killing it. All right, I'm amped up from the coffee and everything. I gotta go to work, I gotta shower. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll see you on the next one.